You are cruising down the highway, ready to relax and let the car handle the speed. But when you hit the button, absolutely nothing happens. This frustrating situation is exactly what a P0595 code is all about, and it points to a low voltage condition in your cruise control servo circuit. Think of the cruise control servo as the mechanical hand that actually moves your throttle to keep you moving at the speed you set without you having to touch the pedal. In many vehicles, this little device uses vacuum lines and cables to physically pull on the throttle body, and the engine control module, or ECM, acts as the conductor for this whole orchestra. When that ECM sees that the electrical voltage in the servo circuit is lower than it should be, it shuts the whole system down for safety. While a cruise control issue might seem like a minor annoyance, you have to be careful because this servo is physically connected to your throttle. If something is stuck or frayed, it could potentially affect how your engine responds. To get to the bottom of this, the first thing you should do is pop the hood and find that servo near the engine. Look really closely at the cable for any signs of fraying or kinks, and give those vacuum lines a good squeeze to see if they are cracked or brittle. Since vacuum lines are cheap, replacing them is a smart move even if they look okay. Then, move on to the electrical connector and make sure it is tight and free of any green corrosion or water that might have snuck in there. If you have a decent scanner, you can actually watch the servo move or check its percentages in real time while you are testing. Just remember that modern cars can be picky, so always double-check your specific service manual before you start jumping wires or forcing the servo to move, or you might end up causing a much more expensive electrical headache than you started with.